I-level up natin ang luto ang nakasanayan nating spam. This time, ang bida sa dish na ito ay new spam chicken. Tara at lutuin natin ang creamy musubi baked rice. Alam nyo ba na ang new spam chicken ay 65% less fat, 30% more protein, 45% less calories, at 35% less sodium, at made with real chicken, kaya panalo to sa lasa. Sa recipe na ito, gagamit tayo ng 1 can, 340 grams na new spam chicken, cut into cubes. Lutuin natin sa konting oil until slightly brown. Lagyan ng frozen mixed vegetables at sliced mushroom. Isiso ng garlic powder, onion powder, and ground black pepper. Mix very well and cook for few seconds. Ilagay na ang all-purpose cream at cream of mushroom and mix very well. Isiso ng salt if needed at lagyan ng dried parsley. Let it simmer ng few minutes and when the sauce thickens, turn off the heat and set aside. Maglagay ng cooked rice sa baking dish ng 3/4 full only and spread evenly. Tapos lagyan na ng creamy spam chicken sauce and make sure to cover ng sauce ang entire rice. Lagyan ng dried seaweeds pero optional yan. Lagyan ng kahit anong klaseng keso at i-bake ng 10 to 15 minutes until slightly brown, palamigin ng konti and ready to enjoy na ang creamy musubi baked rice. Also available in single, 5 by 60 grams, ready to eat kaya so convenient na pambaon ng estudyante or sa work. So try nyo na ang new spam chicken na very easy, tasty, and ready to enjoy.